happy birthday, Kim! Hi, baby Kim! Happy birthday! Ang wish ni Kuya Bal sa'yo is health. And of course, God bless you more and your family, your mommy and daddy, and your whole family and Kuya. Okay, happy birthday. Be a good girl always and keep smiling.
Happy birthday, baby girl Kim. More birthdays to come and God bless you always. Enjoy mo lang lagi yung pagsumpa mo pag sumasama ka kay mommy at daddy and God bless you. More chances to grow.
We love you.
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday!
Hi Kim, Kuya Julius here.
Ate Cha!
Ayan, babating ka namin ng happy birthday.
Happy
Ayan.
birthday, baby girl!
Baby girl. Ay, hindi na sa baby girl. Big
Oo
girl
nga.
na siya nga. Big girl.
15 na siya eh.
Oo, ayan. So happy birthday sa'yo, Kim.
Enjoy your day!
Yes.
God bless you!
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.